ever conscious Edo people worldwide, Nigerians, Africans, and anywhere you are around the world. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazo Sakwinokwodim. Before I continue, do not forget that the elections is over in Edo State. Forget the fact that some disgruntled elements are trying to operate through proxy to circumvent the overall will and collective destiny of the people. But on our part, we are watching them, paying an undivided, or what you people call a rapt attention to the action of this person. But what I can assure you all is, no matter what they do, they fail from the front door. We are going to politically demolish them and legally demolish them through the back door. For those who are not privy to the ruling of the Supreme Court in the past, who are now likening the situation in Edo State with that of Imo State, I think they should have a pure rethink, because there are legal jurisprudence and there are legal interpretations to that effect. Even in the past, there are different judgments of the Supreme Court that have consolidated and backed the current actions of the Edo State government. So no cause for alarm. Let them go to court. In fact, going to court through proxy is what we love. We love fighting. We love engagement. And as far as they decide to set the ball rolling, it's our collective resolve and destiny to protect our right and to fight to the end, because no Supreme Court governor can come into Edo State. Nobody can come through the back door into the administration of Edo State. But I know that there is no cause for alarm. This is not what I'm supposed to discuss this morning, but I just use this as an overview, to run an overview of my discussion. Secondly, do not forget, we are into surveying, we are into CFO procession. When you need to get your CFO, you don't need to stress yourself anymore. Usakwinokwodim is here to serve you under the tutelage of Stand Study Enterprise. Thank God I happen to be the CEO. This is just the business, land-related activities in terms of physical development, beauty plan design, and construction. I am there. Surveying, I am there. So that is that. Now let's go to the discussion for the day. I saw a series of protests in Edo State yesterday, and online I saw the protest across major cities in Nigeria. A classical example is Abuja, which is the seat of power as far as Nigeria is concerned. And while I was driving through Edo yesterday, coming back from my work activities, although our activities are always online, you see them there, I saw hold up everywhere, not even go slow, hold up. Later I saw some policemen coming to chase some unarmed protesters, but I said, okay, no problems. Let me just check the activities proper and see what is going on. Already I was privy to the fact that there is this EndSARS protest in the country, and I've received a series of calls asking me, comrade, what is your opinion in respect to this issue? For one, I believe that there is need for protest against the police. Fine. But I know that this particular protest is like a misplaced priority. That is to me. And I'm expressing my opinion. Why? All policemen are not SARS, but all SARS are policemen. All policemen are not SARS, but all SARS are policemen. Nigerians should be thinking of fighting against police brutality, not EndSARS. Fighting against police brutality in this country should be our paramount interest. So if you are fighting a segment of the police, we not change the current injustice meted against our people. Now, we have different tactical teams in the police. You are talking about SARS. Is it only SARS that is committing this havoc against the Nigerian people? The problem is not peculiar to SARS alone. It involves the police in general. Nigeria should be calling for reform of the Nigerian police force. As of today, as far as this country is concerned, the people are now the resources of the police. In fact, major police commands across the country are now generating revenue more than local governments. that when a policeman sees you and he notices that there are little defects, even when you have no defect, he will identify a problem from you by force, or because of the fact that a policeman sees you as money. So no matter what you beg him, you are just trying to tell him, sir, please, I want to, please, please, please. You are begging him to leave his money. And it will be difficult for him to listen to you, because to him, you are a source of revenue. So no matter what you do, the policeman continue to make the injustice on you till when the resources gets to his hand. So when you are saying NSAS, 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 it is fine, but you are limiting the struggle to a specific sector. Now let SARS don't blow people eye. Have you not seen other tactical teams doing the same thing, chasing people here and there? So when police don't wear uniform, we see them saying SARS. When police don't wear uniform, we'll say SARS. There are so many teams in the station, they don't even wear uniform. Some say they are BS long past my own. So when you want to fight a problem, when you identify a problem in a society and you want the struggle to go on, do not limit it to a segment. So for now, believe you me, I am not a party to these current activities. When we are ready to confront police brutality in totality, I am game. I am in. I am game. I am in. So calling on the end to SARS is not the problem. But let's fight police brutality in totality. Now ask ourselves a simple question. Although some persons may not be aware of this, some may be misinterpreting police brutality to SARS actions alone. Now, when our brothers are coming from the diaspora, because they are driving exotic cars, police apprehends them. Where did you work? Where did you do this? I am from the United States. I am from Britain. I am from France. Who gave you right to have $1? They take over your resources. They take over your activities. In fact, they put you behind bar. At the end of the day, you are coming to say, end SARS. It is not SARS. End police brutality in Nigeria. I won't deceive you. I have never seen such an interrogation before. A policeman cannot interrogate us except if I commit a crime, of which I will not commit a crime. So don't worry yourself. I will not commit a crime. I cannot see a willful sin and jump into it. Where is this guy? You should come. We have to bypass this place. I cannot see a willful sin and jump into it. Call and meet us here. The ghost news tomorrow. I cannot see a willful sin and jump into it. So, don't bother yourself. Some persons were calling me during the elections. Comrade, we know that they will be arrested. One, I didn't commit a crime. Secondly, we are faster than some persons by the power of God. So, okay. So, injustice anywhere to some of us is a threat to justice everywhere. So, if you are saying SARS must end, SARS must end, I believe you have not been able to identify the problem. I believe majority of persons are not privy to the real fact. Now, again, some persons said the police should leave the road. It is true. Because of the fact that when the police are on the road, they loot from people. They misbehave. That is why we are clamoring. What about the security part of it as well? What about the security of our highways? So that's why you must call for reform. We should not give the police the opportunity to continue to extort our people. So even if you are saying, end SARS, end SARS, end SARS, they wipe out SARS. The question is, will that stop the injustice meted on our people by the police? Ask yourself, is it only SARS? At times, You might just be moving somewhere. You see an army man, maybe you say good afternoon, and the afternoon is not clear. He will just begin to molest you. It begins to molest you. Ask yourself a simple question. Is that one SARS alone? Now, somebody said, I made a post this morning about criminal elements. One thing we need to learn here is, let us not begin to accept corruption as a way of life if we must change this country. Truth is bitter, but we must say it. How on earth will a Yauma be protesting against extortion? Now today with this, we are not painting crime. We are not seeing crime as a way of life. We no longer call a thief a thief. We no longer call a stealer a stealer. We not give them names to justify their action. Today, a 419 man, a 419, where they steal person money, they use one or two things, go still come and say, is that guy, na G guy, na Yahoo guy, na street guy. No, that one a thief. That one, now your thief. Forget us name, we know, but rest. Not on the one assume, say, just acceptance, way of life. No. This was when I talk, so it go pay many people, but not the truth. It go pay so many persons, say, why this boy go talk this kind of word? But not the truth. If we must build the society, let's build it on truth. Let's build it on truth. That's the fact. That is the truth. So we don't, except say maybe we don't want to agree. We don't want to let this country move forward. We don't want to really change her. If we really want to change her, everybody must pay sacrifice. Get it clearly. This is not to say that me now, they say me or say I better pass those people. No. Talk your own. Me go talk my own. Me I not be the kind of person where be say I go no say this thing wrong, but say I'll say they justify. No. It is hard for me. That is why I know they quit talk for something. But when I start to the talk, I the finish up. I know the pause. When this is my conviction, I go do one to the end. And I never decide something one day. I never look at where make I fail. No. We must be sincere to ourselves. So, the snake will buy SARS. Now you state where police in general. Now use shoulder, body, take hit Yahoo men and some criminal elements. All of them must end. Oh! You cannot end police in a society, fine. Those policemen, they must reform. And when you talk about reform not be to go meet, they go tell them say, oh yeah, shut up. Don't go to the road and collect money again. That is not a reform alone. This police must be equipped. You cannot give money. You cannot give money to a European policeman, even if he go fit collect them in secret. He not go fit make an as culture, because with that little money, if he lose his job. You cannot do that in the same vein in America. You cannot do that in any of this developed world. But yes, it be so. Everybody knows say bail is not free. But it is boldly written when you enter station, say bail is free. No Nigerians want to make the investigate case finish. They want to say, okay, pay me. Whether you right or you wrong go, okay, pay me. You carry money, you give her. Tomorrow they'll say as a venture. Do you know that I was on ITV when my friend Obaraye cited an example? We they discuss on ITV. He said a policeman did what is yes, a policeman did what was wrong. Yeah, so a policeman did what was wrong. And when they want to sanction the police, you know the sanction when they sanction her. They say, for what you did now, we are going to remove you from Edo State to the north. The police was crying. It be like person when they want kill. That is to say, they don't turn Edo citizen into extortion. That when the policeman spend a year, he don't build us. He don't buy different cars. If you know you drive and go office, because they get secret way. Here we don't want to stand. We don't want to confront them. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. We must be sincere. So I know that this one when I talk so person if you don't like them, please, now they try to tell you. I will not bend it. I am not saying that I am better. I am not saying that I am good. I am not saying that I don't have my own shortcoming. I get. Me not be perfect person at all. I'm not better past any Yahuma. I'm not better past anyone. But let's call a spade, including me and them. Make all of us go put ourselves for check. Make we do the right thing. I see the yesterday. I heard as this protest, although a mixture of some persons, different people, different group. So human rights activists were part of it. Fine for the protest, fine. But some people want to take advantage of the protest. Say, and whenever I do them, extorting, collecting other people's sweat. You want to say end SARS. No. When people want to say end SARS, end police brutality, remove yourself. Because the security agency must be brutal to criminals. The security must be brutal to criminals. So if you have any stealing activity in your hand, don't even come out. Allow those persons who are being faced with police oppression, even when they are free from such action, to cry out and to protest. Not be shortcoming people say they come out. We don't like the way they did treat us, and you are liking the way you treat those others who you are collecting from. You are happy. I don't like the way they treat us. I don't like the way they treat us. I don't like the way they treat us. But you are treating people. He who wants to go to equity must go with clean hands. So that the message be this: we must put an end to police brutality in Nigeria. All SARS are policemen. All policemen are not SARS. I mean, you know what the police they do, people. Oh. If we change them, now we say we don't want to talk truth. We know, let's confront it. When they police you, if we need to end SARS, but let's end the injustice in totality. More not they celebrate people will be say they not get it, they're not as in now other people swear to the benefit. Let's not celebrate it. Do not remove us. What do you add me, John? If you see my own say day, add me, don't remove me. If we must repair this country, me all of us will agree say we're not good. Then we want to start to be good. If this country must move forward, we will talk truth. I see. This message might not go down well with people, but I don't talk. Now the fact. Cannot be making other people to cry. Then you when you cry, because you decide the pity for you. So that's the point. Please, for those who we have produced some of your survey plan. It's out. You can call to get it. For those we did last week, those this week we're going to come out next week, and for those we are processing their CFO, some of you will get your CFO number today. Thank you very much. I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Comrade as well as my phone number still remains strictly for business. CFO processor, survey, land surveying, be it geodetic, cadastral, plantable survey, as the case may be, perimeter survey, we are there. Design of building plans, we are there. Building constructions, we are there. With the phone number that I want to display, 070-3610-9939. I repeat, 070-3610-9939. 080-7974-2172. Thanks and remain blessed. Bye for now.